I made just under $850 in passive income with Eazybot alone in the month of November. Now Eazybot just closed the most ridiculous trade of all time. Let's check it out. What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel for another Eazybot update video. We just closed the most insane trade of all time with Dogecoin. How the bot did it? Let's see. So that's our November price chart of Dogecoin. We see that we started very high of just under 16 cents per coin, had a very big drop down to about 7.5 cents. So the drop was over 50% at one point, and then slowly climbed back up to about 10 or 11 cents. Here's our first initial buy at $0.157 per coin. That was on November 1st. We closed down the trade at $0.134 and made $10.32 in profit, or about 1.03%. And at the same time, we just started the next trade. But during that time, we see that the price really dropped down and climbed back up. This price drop was about 14.7%. So from $0.157 to $0.134. That's 14.7% in price difference, and the bot still managed to clock in over $10 or over 1% in clear profit. The next trade was even better, because now we started at $0.134 and we ended up selling at a price drop of 18.9 cents. And guys, let's check out this profit. Absolutely ridiculous. We made $54.81 or 5.5% clear profit at a price drop of 18.9%, because we closed down the trade at $0.1086. That's absolutely insane. So when we check out the total numbers, we had a price drop of over 30.8%. Over 30%. And we made over $10 and over $54 in two consecutive trades, clocking in $65.13 or 6.51% in clear profit, while the market dropped 30.8%. That is absolutely ridiculous. Let's check it out in my account. So here we are back in the Eazybot dashboard. As you guys know, my best investment so far, and at the same time also my biggest investment so far. If you want to check it out, feel free to click the link down below in the description box, and also not forget to leave a like and comment down below if you have any questions. At the same time, I also want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice, and please do not consider this as financial advice. Please always do your own research and make your own investment decisions. Let's check out the bots, and let's check out my Dogecoin bots to see those trades. So right here is the first trade we want to talk about. Session ID 508124, profit 1031.89, opening price 0.157 and closing price 0.134. That's the trade we talked about, and let's check out when we started buying it. It's a long trade, November 1st, and selling it at November 5th. Here you can see the initial buy at 0.157, a lot of buy covers, little sell cover here, another sell cover here. So we managed to drop down and lower the average price through all those buys and sells, and then sold the whole trade off with another chunk of profit at 0.134. And here's the bigger trade with 175 trades closed in a span of 25 days. We closed and opened over 175 trades. That's amazing and ridiculous. And yeah, let's go all the way down. A lot of trades happening here, guys. A lot of trades happening. So our initial buy was right here where it is. Man, that's a long way down. Right here, 0.134, November 5th, 6 o'clock, and we closed it at December 1st. So 1 week ago. And yeah, absolutely amazing results at 0.1086. There it is, guys. That's the most insane trade. And we can see that Eazybot really works well in sideways and even slightly downtrend markets. We sustained through a 50% drop and sold in 1 month a drop at over 30% in clear profit, made over 6% with the trades. That's just very, very nice. And just keep in mind, it's all passive. You don't have to do anything. The bot does the work for you. And 6% a month in those market conditions, I'm very, very excited to hit a bull run. That being said, we'll see each other on the next one. Bye-bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream